Mr. Rain Ramas, and Miss Michelle Solon. Our judges met at Pajoli Petron Bench. And so, without further ado, let's watch the video with me to know who will be the winner for the Judges' Choice Award for the 6th episode of Guess Me Ham's Idol. Enjoy!
Hi everyone, this is Rain Ramas and this is the 6th episode of Jansen Campus Idol. With me we have Miss Michelle Solon and Benji Roy judging three of some of the most creative videos. So, okay, guys, let's talk about group number 1, the Corner Boys.
Okay.
They performed It's You, which is a Korean song. What do you think about the video?
Well, first, what I really liked about them was they really thought out their video. They thought about their choreography. They had a lot of dancing. I liked the shots. How about you, Benj?
Yeah, I think the shots were good too. It's just that the dance choreography was a bit off for me on stage.
For you?
Yeah.
I actually liked it.
It was a bit off.
Okay, I'm not going to argue.
The stage is, but again, the choreography was.
Yeah.
Well, on my side, you guys don't like the choreography. You don't like the. You like the choreography?
I love the choreography.
The choreography was
Okay.
good. It's just that the dance steps were, the guys at the back, they were kind of lousy when dancing. I mean, the guys up front were more energetic when doing
Oh,
their
so you
dance
noticed
steps.
that one?
Yeah.
For me, I like the color. There was a lot of change of color, and then they had a lot of locations. They
Yeah.
thought about their clothes.
Mhm.
They thought about their faces, their facial expressions, which I think was coming out in the video quite strikingly, and I like that.
I'll be bringing the discussion back to the choreography. One thing that I loved about it is, as I was saying, like in previous groups, this group, each individual knew what he was doing. Alright. Each individual had a personality, each individual had his own style, but they knew they knew their moves, they knew their places. Really nice. I would say that the stage could have a little more creativity.
Yeah.
But in terms of choreography, in terms of placement, in terms of performance of each individual, that's one of their best, one of the best qualities of this group.
What about you, Michelle?
For me, I liked the shots that they had in many locations, the composition of the shots. I think they were very observant to get, it was composed really well. I liked it. I know it's still amateur, but for an amateur video, I'd say I give you thumbs up.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you, Bench?
Okay, on my part, well, I said that earlier, that the dance choreography was a bit off, but they had good concept. I mean, I like the concept, they got great editing. It's good that you guys were creative with your shots. I mean, you had individual shots, you played with the lightings and the angles quite well. But I think acting could do more refining. And one more thing I've noticed, I don't know if you guys noticed, there were lyrics. Lyrics
Yeah.
are good,
Yeah.
but they were too small to be read, basically.
Yeah.
And at
That's
some
one
point,
thing.
you can't read it. The color scheme, it's just off.
Yeah, I think it's the black.
It's black, and then it's not
Did it change
as
color?
clear as.
Okay, I don't know what you guys think, but for me, I thought that was creative. I like the texture of that having. So now let's just check on the scores. Look at the second group, Team Statical, and they performed a song called Dear God. So let's take a look at each one's comments. What did you think, Ben?
I think we'll start off with Rain. Mine's a little bit more.
Come on, everybody's asking about it.
Okay. One thing I can say. The girl in your group was pretty. She was really pretty. The camera loved her. I would say that you had an effort of bringing in a handwritten,
Yeah,
like a note,
journal.
like a journal. Did I say it right? Journal.
Yeah.
You had a journal effect there, which is nice. It's a good break in between shots of people. And then you had this guy sitting down there. I would say that the video could use a little more magic in it. I don't know how to say it, but there's something about the video that keeps me thinking, what more can the video give? What more can it have? What more can you put into it? So I would say that it can be improved, it can be polished. You can choose better locations, I guess. Get out of the uniform, get out of the school grounds. Unless it's in your concept, but I would say that, again, when making a video, it's a good opportunity for you to dress up, put on makeup, fix up, and go get creative. Find good spots, good locations, and basically enjoy what you're doing.
I would